In 1938, an archaeologist digging near Baghdad pulled a clay jar out of the ground. Inside was a copper cylinder wrapped around an iron rod, sealed with asphalt. It looked like nothing special until someone realized it was, structurally, a battery, and it was roughly 2,000 years old. Fill that clay jar with an acidic liquid like vinegar or wine, and it can generate a small electric charge, somewhere around 1 volt. Researchers have built working replicas that do exactly that, which raises an uncomfortable question. Why would a civilization with no known use for electricity build something that generates it? The leading mainstream theory is electroplating, using a weak current to coat cheap metal with a thin layer of gold or silver, making jewelry look far more valuable than it was. Some historians point to similar plating techniques from the region around that time. But critics point out something odd. No wires, no connecting components, no objects nearby showing signs of being electroplated. Nothing found with it explains what it was actually connected to, if anything. Other researchers argue it wasn't a battery at all, just a container for storing sacred scrolls, and the battery resemblance is a coincidence. The asphalt seal, they say, was simply to protect a papyrus scroll from decay. So which is it? A forgotten ancient power source? A jewelry plating tool? Or a scroll case that happens to look exactly like a battery? Nobody has definitively proven any single answer. The original artifact went missing from a museum in Iraq during the looting that followed the 2003 invasion and hasn't been seen since. Which means the one object that might have settled this argument for good is now gone, possibly forever. If ancient mysteries like this fascinate you, subscribe to Unsolved Vault. We dig up the objects historians still can't fully explain.